Okay, today we will study about the number of digits in the square root of a perfect square. What does it mean? It means if we are having a number like this one. So when you find the square root, so you will get a number. So how many digits that number contains? That's the here when we find its integral, sorry, its square root, so we are finding only 11. So this 11 means there are only two digits in the square root of 121. So we have a formula for it. Yesterday we have discussed this. Okay, what we are doing, what we will do today. If we are given a number and we are going to find its square root, how many digits will be in the square root? Mean by after finding the square root, how many digits will we have? So for that, remember there is, if we are having uh, n numbers, n is even. Even means in this square root, here we have even number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many digits will be after finding the square root? When we find it, so we will have a number. So how many digits will be there in that number? So that's the, do you know what is the answer of this? Square root 16, answer is what? Are you there? Square root 16. Are you hearing me? Square root 16 is 4. So you see here, there are how many digits? There are two digits. And after finding the square root, there are how many digits? Only one. So for this, we have a formula n by 2. There are, the n is even. So how many digits are they? There are 2 dividing by 2. So you see your answer is 1. So it means when we find the square root, you will get a number that will contain only one digit. Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir. We are
Okay,
there.
okay. And you know 121, no, let's give me a simple example, 100. What is its square root?
10.
10. Yes, exactly. Square root is 10. So you see there are number of digits in the
Sir, 10, sir.
yes. So uh, number of digits in this square root 100. How many digits are there?
3.
3. So for when this is even or odd, 100.
This is 100, sir, even.
No, number of digits in this number.
Okay, sir, it is odd.
Odd.
Number of
Yes,
number of digits is odd.
yes, 1, 2, 3. So that's odd. So for that, we have the formula n plus 1. For even is
N plus 1, 2.
n plus 1 will divide by 2. Yes, n is here in this question. There is 3 plus 1 divided by 2.
Yes.
You see that is 4. 4 by 2. So 2 is the answer. So it means when we find the square root of 100, what will we get? We are getting 10. So the number of digits in this 10 will be 2.
2.
Okay. So for finding the number of digits, in the square root of a number, you see if n is even, number of digits in the number is even, so you just use n by 2 formula. If the number of digits in the number is odd, so just use the n plus 1 by 2 formula. Okay. Now moving to the question, uh, there we will have some questions and we will practice on it. Okay, this one, this 25. How many digits will be in the square root of 25?
Sir, it will be 5.
5.
It will be 5. When you are finding the square root of 25, so how many digits will
Because
be?
5 5s are 25.
So how many digits will be there? Not the answer.
2.
1.
1. Because,
Yes, only 1 5.
yes, 2 and 1. Sorry, 2 and 5, they even. So we have n by 2 formula. N is even, even mean there are 2, 2 divided by 2, so there will be 1. So after finding the square root, we will get only 1 digit. Okay.
Yes, when even comes the digit, so write n by 2.
Yes, yes, yes. Here, and the third one, the second we'll discuss later. The third one, 5184, and you are finding the square root, but we are not interested in the square root. We are just interested to know how many digits are.
4.
Yes, sir. And the question, without finding the square root. Square root is not important to find. Find the number of digits in the square root. So we are interested in the number
4.
of digits.
And this also comes n by 2 formula.
Yes, here you see 1, 2, 3, 4. So n by 2 is the formula of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 2. So just 2. So when you find its square root, you will get an answer, and that answer must have
Sir,
in 2 digits.
sir,
Yes.
if this type question comes in the paper, we will not do the square root.
No, just write the answer. This will be in the objective type. How many digits will be
Okay,
square root? How many digits will be in its square root? No, check the
okay.
second one. There are how many digits?
3 digits. So
There are
n plus 1 by 2.
n plus 1 by 2 is the formula for n 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1 by 2. So that is 4 by 2. From 4 by 2, we are getting just 2. Okay. So you know
Now,
that.
sir, how to do this? Plus n plus 1 by 2,
Yes.
3 plus 1 by 2, 4, 4 by 2, 2 good answer is 2.
Yes. When you find that square root, you know that is 14. So there are 2 digits, 1, 2. But we are not interested in the answer. We are just, we have to tell that how many digits are there in the answer. Okay, now checking this fourth one. Check that how many digits will be. But here the question is without finding the
5,
square root.
5, 5, n plus 1 by 2,
The digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
3 plus 1 by 4, minus 2 with it answer is 2.
N plus 1 by 2. N is 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. So that is 6 by 2. So there will be 3 digits. Okay. 3 digits will be and the answer of the x square root. Okay. Got it?
Okay. And sir, in the paper, we will only direct like n plus 1 by 2
Yes, yes,
or
yes.
n by 2.
Yes.
Okay.
If the digits are even, so just put the n by 2 formula. And for the odd number of digits, just put n plus 1 by 2. Okay, the last one.
N plus 1 by 2.
The last one. Which one should I use?
Sir, this is even 6.
Even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, even. So the
N
formula
by 2
N
So
by
it becomes 2 by 4 it.
so 6 by 2, that is 3. When we find the square root, so that will be the answer. So your answer must be here just its answer n by 2, so 2 by 2, 1. Just 1 is your answer.
2.2. 2 by 2.
Yes, here n plus 1 by 2, so 3 plus 1 by 2, so 4 by 2. From 4 by 2, we are getting just 2. Okay, so is it question or complicated?
What, sir?
Easy.
Just note it down in your notebook. Okay,
Sir, only
Okay.
8 minutes are left.
8 minutes are left.
Yes.
Okay, so can you do this question?
Which question, sir?
This question number 3 that we have done.
Sir, like only
Yes,
we will
sir.
write, we will find the square root also of it.
No, 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 no.
So then you showed us. Give us another. Yes, you showed us.
Wait a minute. In the question, it is stated that you see there in the question, it is stated that without finding the square root.
It is so easy. N by 2.
Yes,
So 2 2s are 4. By 3 by 1 it comes 2.
yes, that will be your answer. For even n by 2, for odd, anybody have problem in it?
No, sir, we don't have any problem in this.
Good.
What, sir?
Good, good. Okay, let me check the next question. If it is easy, so we will do. If they are a bit tricky, so let me check first. This is 6 to 1, 4 to 1. How many minutes we are having? Only 6 minutes. Okay, I think it's enough for today.
Yes, sir, it is enough.
Okay, I will let me stop the recording.